Hi, this is Rick Savitsky from Chortek. If you're a manufacturer considering hiring Chortek to assist your team with outsourced accounting, data analytics, or advisory duties, then this video is for you. In it, I'm going to basically explain how our team and tools can help you get timely financials and KPIs, and if that's of importance to you, how we can help you improve by having our team work alongside you. But first, why bother? Well, we believe having timely, accurate information is critical for manufacturers to be successful. And that includes financial statements, financial information, forward-looking KPIs, so that you can really manage the business. So how do we help our customers do that? Well, in short, we have a team of accountants and data analysts dedicated towards doing this. We really like manufacturing, we enjoy the complexity, we like seeing our manufacturing clients successful. Number two, we use a tool called Karbon. It's a process and workflow tool that allows us to have standardized checklists for weekly, monthly, periodic tasks that need to get done. And we use that tool together, we collaborate. So this is an example of a real email that actually goes out on a scheduled basis for an agreed upon list of items that our team needs. You simply just upload documents, type in requested information. It's really very simple. And when all those are done, our team gets notified, we start working through our tasks, our quality review, so that the financials can be issued, and most importantly, so that we can then schedule time to talk about the results together. It's something we really enjoy doing, and we can walk alongside you. We use two tools, one called Fathom for advanced financial reporting and KPI reporting and financial forecasting, as well as Microsoft Power BI. These two tools allow us to really talk about and look together and understand the financial performance, future performance based on leading indicators, and really drilling down into where are you making money and where are there areas for improvement. I have other videos that explain those in quite a bit of detail, different examples of how we use these tools with our customers. And so if that's of interest, please contact us, book some time. We'd love to learn about you, see if we're a good fit for your company. If this video is helpful, please like it or share it with someone else that might benefit. Thanks a lot. Bye.